and whenever I have get the chance to speak the English language, I prefer to speak this language because this is a standard language. And if anyone belongs to another country, I can easily uh, communicate with them because of this language.
What is the best way to learn a language? How a person can learn a language?
I think there are many ways to learn the new language. According to me, a simple and easy way to learn the language is by doing speaking with the someone who is in who is fluent in the particular language, and by following the instructions and grammar rule and regulation, we can easily learn the new language.
Okay. What is your opinion about English as an international language?
Uh, According to me, English language is a standard language. Whenever we will, whenever anyone can go another country, and if the person can don't know their traditional language, this is the only way to speak with another person and share their own ideas and feelings in this language. So I think it is the best way to their own opinions in this language, because no one can remember or learn the all languages, because our whole world has many countries and it is very difficult to learn the all languages. For example, in India there are almost 28 or 20, maybe 28 or 29 states. So every state or province have different their traditional language. So a common man or maybe any individual, it is for difficult for everyone to learn all these kinds of language. So that is the only way to learn English language, which is everywhere and all kinds of people use or understand the English language.
Okay, very good. English is an international language. It is the language of medicine, literature, science, technology. More job opportunities are available in this language. So all in all, we can say this is the one language that, and it is easiest to learn. This is one of the easiest language to learn also. Now write down your cue card. Describe a celebration that is important in your country. Celebration that is important in your country. Bullet points are
Celebration is important.
in your country. Bullet points are when the celebration takes place, like when, what people do, why you.
What people do, or third one?
And third is why you like this festival. Or what thing you like or dislike about this festival. One thing you like or dislike about this festival. And your 1 minute starts now. Stop. 2 minutes starts now.
Uh, at the moment, I live in Canada. In this city, the most important and celebrated festival is a Christmas. The Christmas celebration start at the end of December month, when all around have holidays. All the people get together and they celebrate these days. Approximately 4 or 5 days they celebrate this festival. Most of the people who belong to their native country, they decorate their homes with lightning, and the lights looks more beautiful because of the everywhere covered with snow that looks like a white world, and which enhance the beauty of lightning at the night. All of the houses and buildings around the area, that look so amazing. And on these days people exchange the gifts, and they also try new dresses, and mm, and go to the holidays with their families and spend the quality times. I think there are many things that I like about this festival, because people spend time with their family. On every day they don't have the time to spend with their children, and on that days there are too much winter days, and most of the people have the holidays, so that's why.
Stop. Stop. Now come to follow-up questions. How important do you think customs and traditions for a country?
सॉरी मैम, आपको आवाज़ नहीं आ रही क्लियर.
How important do you think customs and traditions for a country?
I think custom and traditions are very imperative for every country or every people, because they connect people with their history, their family, and with their family. Moreover, they have the chance to spend the time and gain the knowledge to their children about their history, how their parents did did the efforts for them, and they teach about their custom and their traditions.
Do you think these customs and traditions are important for the younger people? Seem like older people.
Uh, well, I think nowadays people don't want to spend the time on their custom and tradition, and they don't give the values as the older peoples gave them, because nowadays all individuals spend their time on technology, or they have their very hectic schedule. So they, and the most of important thing, they don't live with the family, so they don't understand the importance of custom and traditions in their religion. So I think, so they have to know about their traditions, because it is the only way to connect with their history and their family.
Should people immigrate to new country keep the customs of their home country?
Ma'am, I can't understand, can you rephrase?
Very. If you are not able to catch the words, then you need not to say repeat. You can say, could you please repeat? So I can make it a little easy for you. Do you think the people are migrating to other countries? Okay, who have migrated from India to Canada. So do you think you should keep the customs of your home country? Do you think you should follow the customs of your home country?
Yes, absolutely. I think I celebrate my all customs and follow the traditions which is celebrated at my home country, because by doing these customs and following the traditions, I feel the connection, or the connection, or feel like I am there with the family and celebrate these kinds of celebrations. And like Rakhi and the other festivals, Diwali, I celebrated here with my friends and colleagues, and like doing same kinds of thing, which things are I was doing at my home country, like visiting a gurdwara and going to the temple, lightening the house, and many more things that I can do, or celebrate those kinds of festival, which is the way to connect with the family. And
Are movies, television, internet making customs the same all over the world?
please repeat the question.
Do you think internet and television, these kind of things are making the customs the same all over the world?
uh, Basically, I think by using the technology or social media, people almost follow the tradition and customs everywhere, like like Christmas days. Before the technology, only Christmas celebration in celebrated in the foreign countries, but nowadays everywhere people celebrate these kinds of celebration. And the other thing is the Halloween days. By interacting on the social media, they also like to celebrate those kinds of festivals. And in Canada, I also see that many people like to enjoy the Diwali festival, and then they want to know about the history of celebrating the Diwali. So I think it is the best way to